We recommend this product be installed by a competent gunsmith.
Modification of your firearm may nullify the warranty of the firearms manufacturer.
No liability is expressed or implied for damage or injury which may occur from improper use or installation of this product.
You are responsible for the safe handling, legalities, and use of your firearm.
Warning: always wear safety glasses when working on firearms. Hi guys, today I'm here to walk you through the installation of the Apex Plus-2 mag extension for the FNX-45 series pistols. The Apex Plus-2 mag extension for the FNX-45 series pistols includes a Plus-2 mag extension, a set screw, and an Allen wrench to install that screw. These are all the tools you need for the installation. This Allen wrench can be used to disassemble the magazine. To install the Apex Plus-2 mag extension, we're going to first remove the factory floor plate and floor plate retainer. I'm going to use my Allen wrench. I'm going to press in about a quarter of an inch or so, and I'll press the floor plate forward with my thumb. That's going to catch on the retainer a little right back here in the back. All I have to do is press some pressure down as I press forward, and that allows the little block to pop out. I'll hold tension on the retainer. I'll take the floor plate off entirely. I'll relieve tension. Set the floor plate and the retainer aside. I'm going to compress the spring manually with my finger. I'm going to take the Apex base pad and I'm going to slide it on as far as I can, pushing my finger out of the way. And then as I press it in, you're going to hear the spring pop into the Apex base pad. There it is. I'll push it all the way back. I'll drop the screw in with the little blunt tip down into the hole. I'll take the Allen wrench that came with it. I'll engage that screw. There it goes. And it should be 6 to 8 turns until it bottoms out. Once it does, give it a little twist, maybe an 1/8 of a turn past where it touches down, and that's all we got to do. Now you've added 2 rounds to your factory magazine. So with the Apex Plus-2 mag extension installed, you'll notice that it's got a little ring around the outside. That's kind of for aesthetics, but the big thing is this little lip here at the front. This allows you to strip a stuck magazine a lot more easily, so you can grab onto it and really pull it out with gloved hands or non-gloved hands. So if you get one stuck, you can grab on and just pull it right out. One of our key design features for this mag extension was additional space for loading the magazine. What that means is, in this case, I have 17 rounds loaded in the magazine, and I have a little bit of extra space here available for the stripper rail. Because when you insert the magazine into the gun, the stripper rail on the slide gives you a slight compression on the magazine. Most mag extensions absolutely take up all the space, and the problem with that becomes that the gun doesn't cycle properly. So we left a little space. We jokingly call this the 2.5 round mag extension because that space allows for proper seating of the magazine and feeding of the gun when the magazine is full.